Hello, friends. Welcome to this Smile Road podcast, your hub for learning positivity, and personal growth. I'm your host, Sir M, and today we're exploring a simple yet powerful concept that can change the world: kindness in action. Kindness is more than feeling good inside. It's about talking small, practical actions that brighten someone someone else's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. Why does kindness matter? Kindness strengthens relationships and builds trust. It improves mental health both for the giver and the receiver. Small acts can create big ripples, inspiring others to pay it forward. Kindness doesn't have to be grand gestures. Even small actions matter. Offering a smile to a stranger, holding the door for someone, sending a thoughtful message, listening sincerely to a friend in need. These simple deeds accumulate to make a meaningful difference in someone's life. Practical ways to practice kindness today. Be attentive. Notice someone's need and respond with care. Share your time. A few minutes of your attention can make a lot to someone feeling unseen. Express appreciation. Say thank you sincerely for a small or big contributions. Encourage encourage others. A positive word or gesture can boost confidence and morale. A small challenge. Today, perform one simple act of kindness intentionally. Notice how it makes you feel and observe any reactions or ripples it creates. Often, kindness spreads farther than we imagine. Remember, kindness is a superpower that anyone can use every day. It costs nothing, yet it can transform relationships, communities, and even our own mindset. By practicing kindness consistently, you create a chain reaction of positivity that lifts everyone around you. So, let's commit to small acts of kindness every day and see the world brighten one good deed at a time. Thank you for joining me in this episode of Smile Road Podcast. If this inspired you to practice kindness today, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who could use a little encouragement. Until next time, stay kind, keep smiling, and keep walking your smile road with a big heart.